I mean, I feel like on my skin, it is definitely getting better. I mean, the acne is still very much here on the cheeks, as you can see. Spritzing technique thing. I got it in my mouth, I'm sorry. Hello guys, today we're putting another iconic toner in Korean skincare to the test. This time it's going to be the Cosrx AHA BHA Clarifying Treatment Toner for 1 entire week and actually see what results we see on my skin after the 7 days are over. Now I want to say, reading from the bottle, this says that with low pH formula as well as purifying botanical ingredients, this toner works to refresh, soothe, and soften the skin. So it definitely sounds very familiar to me, doesn't it sound to you? Because this surely reminds me of the BHA Blackhead Power Liquid Toner, also by Cosrx, and I have tried that, by the way, and I truly loved it. I fell in love at first sight. But so I really want to see how this differs from that one, and honestly if this maybe is better or worse. But anyways guys, if you didn't know, AHAs and BHAs are just amazing for acne prone oily skin because they really are going to resurface the top layer of your skin, get rid of acne, blackheads, whiteheads, texture, and also make your skin overall more glowier. So truly amazing. So anyways, I cannot wait to put this to the test and see what it's given to the girls. So without further ado, let's put this bad boy to the test, shall we? Okay you guys, so here we are. First of all, I want to show you what my skin looks like up close and personal so we can really see if there's going to be any progress throughout the week. So as you can see, first of all, on the nose, I definitely have the usual blackheads and whiteheads. And also right here on the cheeks, I have pimples. Look at here as well. Look at the pimples that I have. As you can see under lighting, you can definitely see the little bumps on my cheeks as well. Now, what is curious about this is that this comes in a spritz or like a nozzle thing. Like, is this gonna be a face mist? Am I gonna spritz it? Let's just try it. What is happening? Oh my god, this is so bougie, I love it. How much do I put on though? Like, how much is too much with this? Because I don't know with a spritzer. I feel like this is enough.
2 shots of vodka.
I'm not sure about the technique itself because I don't know if it just went everywhere or just, you know, like I've applied it maybe somewhere more, a little less on other parts. I'm not sure about it. But anyways, the smell is definitely very sulfury, kind of like dirty bath water, spa water, you know, that kind of water. And also the feeling on the skin, it definitely doesn't sting at all. It does sting a little bit on my eye. So definitely pay attention. Maybe next time I'll cover my eyes. Anyways, guys, first impressions. I don't know. This is very new for me. I never had a toner with a spritzer, so we definitely have to experiment a little more. Also, will it give us results? Because I'm feeling it very gentle. I don't know. Okay, guys, so it's day 2. Before we go any further with this experiment, I first want to read with y'all the ingredient list because we have to see if this product is any good or if it's more so like a scam. Now, the ingredient list, as you can see, is very short. I was actually quite shocked at this. But anyways, there's willow bark water, which is very soothing and hydrating. The second water is also apple fruit water. And now this is amazing because apple extract really is rich with antioxidants and which are gonna help fight free radicals, and also the most dangerous free radical out there, which is hydroxyl free radical. So you can only imagine how beneficial it is, how anti-aging it's gonna be, and how well it's gonna protect your collagen. So we definitely like that. Then there is butylene glycol, panthenol, and also sodium lactate, which all these 3 are actually moisturizing and soothing to the skin. So this is what Cosrx was actually referring to, as this is gonna fight our acne but also moisturize at the same time. Very interesting. And now the AHA that they're referring to in this is actually glycolic acid. It is amazing just because it really resurfaces the skin. Not only does it exfoliate it, because it is a chemical exfoliator, so it's really gonna get rid of the dead cells on your skin, but also it's gonna make it glowier. Also, the texture that you can see I have right here on the cheeks is supposed to get rid of that as well. And finally, the BHA that they're referring to is actually bentane salicylic, which is basically salicylic acid. I love salicylic acid. If you watch my videos, I tell you guys all the time, just because it is amazing at really preventing future breakout, because it really gets deep into the layers of your skin and really cleans it from the inside out. So it's gonna get rid of blackheads, whiteheads, clean up your pores. Truly amazing. Anyways, you guys, I'm actually really impressed with the ingredient list. Not gonna lie, simple and straight to the point. I'm impressed. But also, not gonna lie, the fact that the AHA and the BHA are both very low in the ingredient list, almost last, this tells me that this is gonna be very gentle. So I don't know if we'll be able to see results, especially with me, since as you can see, I have a lot of pimples right now. And also, you guys, I'm truly not sure about this spritzing technique thing. I got it in my mouth, I'm sorry. But anyways, guys, this was only day 2. As you can see, it went in my eye and now it's stinging. You guys, I'm really not convinced about this application thing. Guys, so it's day 4. I might be actually starting to see the potential of this toner. I mean, I feel like on my skin, it is definitely getting better. I mean, the acne is still very much here on the cheeks, as you can see. But still, I don't know. I feel like also if I cover my eyes and do this, it definitely works a lot better, and also my eyes don't hurt now. But you know what? The results are still not that impressive. Like, I've seen other toners do this, so we gotta see. Cosrx, we need to talk here, okay? All I'm gonna say is I'm a little bit disappointed, as you can see. I'm like a proud nanny at this point with you because we truly have a relationship going on. I have reviewed so many products from you in the past in this channel. I truly feel as though we are family at this point. Truly, you have a little bit disappointed me on this. I truly am crying. What is wrong with me? I get so much into my acting that I actually start crying. Hold up 1 second.
I was really tapping into some serious acting skills there.
Woo! Okay, so Cosrx, as I was saying, let's talk about it, because now don't get me wrong, it's not that I don't like this product at all. Like, it's just that I'm a little bit unsure. That's all I'm saying. I'm so used to you excelling that whenever you get a C in your grades in your test, I'm a little bit disappointed. I'm kind of like one of those very, you know, strict mothers. You got me used to the top of the top, and if you bring something that is a C, I ain't gonna be happy because I know that you can do a lot better. Now, first of all, as always, I want to talk about the positives. I want to be positive here. I definitely like the formula. I'm gonna give you that. The formula itself and the ingredient list itself is very nice, just because it does not have one single ingredient that I don't like, so I prove it in that point. Y'all know that I'm very strict when it comes to ingredients. It is a very gentle cleanser. I will say this, as you might have seen from the vlogs, I was definitely convinced that this was not gonna do anything for my skin at all, just because of how gentle it first started to feel, underlying the first. Just because after I continued using this, and then I actually also went back to the Cosrx BHA Blackhead Power Liquid Removing Toner, whatever the name of that was, this definitely is stronger in that sense. Like the BHA Power Liquid, I could basically not even feel it on my skin. This, I feel like it's just a notch, a tiniest bit stronger. Also, don't ask me how. However, I have also compared it in terms of stinging in the eyes, because I also had the BHA Power Liquid go in my eyes, and I have to say that didn't sting as much as this did. Don't ask me how I got that in my eyes, because I won't tell you, okay? I just get some things in my eyes that are never meant to be in your eyes, if you get what I mean. Another white thing that is also white like this. My ladies know, the nasty ones know. I might be preaching to the wrong choir right now, but I'm sure that there's one of them who can relate with me. And to that I say, yes, sister! This contains both AHAs and BHAs. Therefore, it's really gonna be just giving you everything that you need in your skin. You won't have to supplement it with maybe using an AHA toner in that sense, because if you are using the BHA one, then your skin might be not getting a... You know what? Let me stop comparing it to the BHA one, because I actually want to make a dedicated video of doing a versus, so keep an eye out for that. All I'm gonna say is that this is gonna deliver you with everything that your skin needs in terms of exfoliating acids. They are different in what they actually do. AHAs actually are a little bit more in the surface. I like to call them a little bit superficial, okay? She's like the girl that only thinks about your appearance. She don't care about the insides and the personalities, and she will make your skin glowier. She will give you a glow up to the skin. She will also get rid of any texture that you might be experiencing, like for example, the little chicken bumps. That's what I like to call them, because like it's chicken skin, and truly I did see that this got rid of them slightly in this week. And also, it's gonna get rid of any dead skin, any flaky skin you might be experiencing if you have dry skin or flaky skin. Now, this also contains BHAs. BHAs are the deeper ones, okay? They're the deeper girls. They really want to talk one-on-one with you. They want to know your emotions, what you're feeling, okay? Boys, they boyfriends would not like them girls, okay? Because guys, they do not like to get in their feelings, but girls love that. She will actually penetrate deeper into the layers of your skin and actually get rid of those blackheads, of those pimples, of those whiteheads that are deeper into the skin, and again, make you feel a lot better from the outside too. Because ladies, when we feel good about ourselves in the inside, we feel good about ourselves in the outside. What is this? I turned this into a therapy session. Moving on to the results that I've seen. I have definitely, now keep in mind, my skin is very accustomed. She's very used to AHAs and BHAs. A BHA toner is nothing new for her. I did see quite impressive results just because if you watch from the vlogs, my skin was going through a little bit of a breakout. But if you look at my skin now, like girl, take a look, please. Actually pause the video and take a look at this high definition skin that you're seeing right here. Do you see any pimples that you said before? No, you don't. No, you don't. Also, blackheads in the nose. I don't know if you can tell, but I'm gonna tell you, and you're gonna have to trust me here. They're not visible. They're not there. They have missed class several times. They're maybe also looking to be expelled because they never show up. Now, y'all might be wondering, well, is he delusional then? Like, what was wrong? Why was he crying, fake crying at the beginning of the video?
Are you okay?
Hold on.
No, wait a minute. I never seen someone cry with their tears not coming out, so I just want to make sure you're okay.
Because it's an inner cry, bitch.
That is because, and only because of this bottle. Like, I'm truly, like, I wish I could like this toner. It's just for some reason I cannot see myself using this because of the bottle. This is just like a face mist right here. I'ma just... Like, do you see that? No. I feel like what Cosrx wants you to use this is basically just like a face mist or a setting spray for your makeup. This reminds me more of like a bug spray, a bug repellent, just like... Because I get that pimples are very much just like bugs. You want to kill them and get rid of them. However, applying a toner, especially an AHA and BHA one and not a hydrating one, with like a spritzing technique, I don't see myself doing that. If it was hydrating, then that's okay, because even if it went in your eyes, it wouldn't have been that much of a deal because it would have been gentle. But these are acids, okay? The name, literally acids. They shouldn't be in your eyes. Who even came up with this idea and who backed it up? Like, I really want to talk to your product development team. Like, I really want to know who is responsible for this.
I want to know that. Okay. I really want to know that.
But anyways, that's all I'm gonna say. I'm glad we addressed it, Cosrx. I hope that doesn't harm our relationship because I truly love you once again. But anyways, now randoms that you've seen my opinions and actually what I liked, what I didn't like about this, I feel like it's time for us in the video to move on to who should use this, who should not use this, and when and how to implement it in your skincare routine. I will state the obvious here. If you have acne-prone, oily skin, this is gonna be very beneficial for you. I mean, 1 + 1 is 2, 2 + 2 is 4, 5 + 5 is 10.
If 2 + 2 is 4, right? And 5 + 5 is 10. Okay. What the fuck is this?
Also, I feel though, it would be amazing for dry skin people. If you are maybe dry skin, but you are still experiencing a little bit of a breakout, or also feel like you have flaky skin and very dry skin, and you can see the dead skin, this would be amazing for you because it contains the AHAs and BHA in them both at once, okay? She is a multitasker. You know, I was right to call her a she because this ain't a he. Guys cannot multitask. She is definitely a she. She's probably a mom, just so how much she can multitask. She has kids. She definitely has kids. So truly, as you can see, this could be definitely beneficial for people with dry skin. Also with sensitive skin, because I don't see this being that harsh to the skin at all. Once again, with the analogy that I always like to make, this is one other of the prostitute products in skincare, meaning that they go with everything. Once you purchase this, she will not look at you in any terms. She will not discriminate you if you have oily, juicy skin. She will still do the work for you, as long as you pay her.
She was the, you know, the whore of charm school. A slutatious whore.
But anyways, now moving on to how you could implement this in your skincare routine, I definitely will say this could be a daily toner for a lot of people.
A lot of people will be scared here. A lot of people will be scared, and I'll name them.
Not in the morning, even if you have oily acne prone skin. Sis, I know you have that urge of really strip and overstrip your skin. Don't do that, because it ain't gonna be beneficial for you. It's gonna increase the oiliness to your skin, so don't. I would say if you have oily, acne-prone skin, definitely use this on the daily, but only at night. In the morning, you should definitely go with a more hydrating toner, more relaxing, just because in the morning, we all a little bit grumpy. We still have to wake up, and so does your skin. She does not like a very strong and loud alarm. This would be the very strong, loud alarm. You don't want that, okay? You want to be a little more soothing. That would be a hydrating toner. And now moving on to the dry skins, I would say definitely this could still be your daily toner. Again, once again, only use this at night. In the morning, go ahead with a more hydrating toner. And for my sensitive folks, my sensitive people out there that really are in their feelings, don't use this on the daily and alternate it between times. But anyways, as you can see, this to me is just a very solid toner. I will say that, Cosrx, it is very good. What's in the bottle is very good, but what's in the outside is truly not. In a relationship, relationship, for a relationship to work, you need both of them. You need to be attracted to the person from what's in the outside, but also very much what's in the inside. So to me, I'm just attracted to their personality. And if you want a boyfriend slash girlfriend, you have to have both. Otherwise, the people you like their personalities are just gonna be friends. So I feel like she's very much that ugly girl, okay? She's got a very good heart, but she ain't that cute from the outside.
I might not be a size 10, but I've got a good heart. So take that and kiss that.
But anyways, now that the question you've all been waiting for is, Mateo, would you recommend this and would you use this in your skincare routine? So I mean, to answer your question, I would say probably yes. I do see myself using this again because it is a very good toner. Maybe I would just, oh my god, you can empty this and put it in another bottle. Problem solved. Oh my god, I'm just gonna use another bottle and empty it. Okay guys, then yes, I totally recommend it. Why did I not think about it? Alright, this toner is amazing, you guys. Go buy it. Go buy 7 of them. So anyways, now that we figured it out, if I maybe convince you into buying this, then I totally don't blame you, and I will tell you where I bought this from. I actually bought this on Amazon, and it was actually for 17.19 Royal British pounds. And this is actually, let me see, 150 ml. And honestly, I have used this for 1 week, and as you can see, I use this much. So I could definitely see myself using this for 2 months. Also, keep in mind, you wouldn't need another AHA or slash BHA. This is your 2-in-1, but you know that your girl always got you covered. So actually, I found the cheapest price thing that I could find both on Amazon US and Amazon UK, and I linked it down below in the pinned comments for you to go buy it. So literally all you gotta do is click that link. But anyways, now I know that some of us are a little bit more nifty, a little bit more grifty, a little bit more shifty. We're for money. I don't know what that means, but you get what I mean. The alternative is you using YesStyle, which is a Korean website. However, here's the catch. They don't have Amazon Prime shipping, so the shipping times will take a little bit longer. However, they are cheaper on there. So actually, this would run you 12.47 Royal British pounds. As always, your girl has got you covered. So if you want to go buy this on YesStyle maybe instead, then once again, I linked it down below in the pinned comment for you to go buy it. I have another deal for you. If you maybe want to save even more off your purchase, then what you should do is actually use code RANDOMS at checkout so you can get money off your entire purchase. You are welcome. But anyways, now, ma'am, if you are still watching and you have not yet subscribed, what is wrong with you? Like, why do you have to have commitment issues? I am both the pretty girl and the good girl with the good personality in one. I'm very full of myself, and so should you. I don't know where I'm going with this. All I'm saying is that you should subscribe to the bell icon so you don't miss any of my uploads. But if you are into skincare and you maybe want to learn more about how to treat your acne or how to treat your wrinkles, girl, I literally still am struggling with acne, but I'm struggling with wrinkles too. And I would love to help you out and perfect your skincare routine. So all you gotta do is join the Random family. Wow, we would love to have you here. But anyways, if you are maybe interested into seeing a little bit more of what is going on here in my life in general, then what you should do is actually maybe follow me on my Instagram there as well, because we keep the same energy. But also, if you maybe are struggling with any issues in your skin that you want to talk about, then all you gotta do is literally DM me on my Instagram. Don't hesitate. I would love to help you out. But anyways, to my randoms who are still watching, you know what time of the video is now. It's time for the Italian word of the video. And since this video was all about this AHA/BHA clarifying treatment toner, so actually, since the word is clarifying, the Italian word of the video is going to be chiarificare, which basically means clarifying or clarify in English. You know that I always like to put my words in context. If you find yourself in Italy and you maybe are having a beef and you say, could you please clarify this? Could you please explain what you mean? Is potresti, could you clarify, which is chiarificare, this thing, questa cosa. Potresti chiarificare questa cosa? Huh? Huh? Tell me. Dimmi. But anyways, sis, don't click out just because I'm rambling. I know, I'm sorry, that's one of my issues. I will be working on that. What you should do is watch whenever of my videos, not the videos that are recommended there for YouTube. YouTube does not know what you need. I know what you do, and it is one of these 2 videos. They're just gonna be as informative, just as funny, just as entertaining, just whatever. This was for you, but oh, remember to be random and always be random. Click them 2 videos though. Or I will continue clapping until you click them, so you better do that because it's irritating, isn't it? Isn't it?